Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily disable or enable TalkBack, also known as screen reader voice assistant, on your Samsung Galaxy Note 20. My name's Sergio with Serg-Tech, and this channel I do a lot of reviews and tutorials, so if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and do so now. Hit the bell to receive notifications on my future videos, and let's get on with the video. So, screen reader is a voice assistant that is used for those that are vision impaired, and it just reads stuff on the screen out to you so you can know where you are clicking at any certain time. But if you enable this by mistake, it can get pretty annoying since you might not need it, and it could be a little bit complicated to turn off. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn it off so you can continue using your phone normally again. So from any screen, you can swipe around with 2 fingers. You can scroll around with 2 fingers. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into these settings. So we're going to find the settings. To find the settings, you can, with 2 fingers, swipe from the top down.
Notification shade.
And then you will see these settings will appear. We're going to select it.
Open settings.
And then double tap it. Here in settings with 2 fingers, you can scroll around and we're going to find accessibility, which will be towards the bottom. Once you find accessibility, just select it and double tap it.
Accessibility.
And then here in accessibility, you will see screen reader. And this is the option we need to select. So select screen reader, double tap it.
Screen reader, showing items 1 to 5 of 5.
And you will see that it is enabled. So all we need to do is disable it. So select it, double tap it.
On. Turn off voice assistant.
And then down here, it's going to ask us to confirm. So select turn off and then double tap it.
Voice assistant off.
And there you go. The voice assistant has been turned off. So now we can go ahead and get out of here and continue using your phone normally. All right, everyone. So that is how you disable or turn off voice assistant screen reader on your Samsung Galaxy Note 20. You can also use this to enable it. So if this video helped you out, go ahead and give it a like as it helps me out. And that's it for this video. I will catch you in the next one. And as always,